Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to Nksha. I am going to introduce to you a new cocktail, Guava. Let's start with it. Firstly, starting to chill the glass. So this is a Guava cordial, which is made in-house. So this is cherry liqueur. We'll be using vodka. A pinch of black salt. We'll be using a clear ice and a Nksha stamp on it. We'll be garnishing with guava and chilli and salt on it. Here's our drink. Cheers.